I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Ford Fusion with keys locked inside. First, always check for a spare key. It's the easiest solution. If not, walk around your vehicle and try every door, including the trunk, as one might be unlocked. If these simple steps don't work, consider calling a professional locksmith. They have specialized tools and expertise to open your car without causing any damage, getting you back on the road quickly and safely. If you're comfortable with DIY methods, a plastic wedge can be used to gently pry open a small gap in the top of the door frame. Once a gap is created, a long reach tool, like a straightened coat hanger or a slim jim, can be inserted to try and hook the lock or press the unlock button. Remember, this method requires precision and care to prevent scratching the paint or damaging the delicate electrical wiring inside the door. For more advanced options, check your roadside assistance plan. Many include lockout services and can send help. Additionally, some Ford Fusion models are equipped with a keyless entry keypad on the driver's side door. If you know your 5-digit code, you can easily unlock the car. For newer models, the Ford Pass app allows you to remotely unlock your vehicle using your smartphone, provided you've set it up previously. To prevent future lockouts, always carry a spare key or ensure one is kept in a safe, easily accessible place, like with a trusted friend or family member. Another smart idea is to use a magnetic hide-a-key box, discreetly placed on the exterior of your vehicle. This provides a backup without needing to carry an extra key daily. And for those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite link in the description, along with other great deals. Being prepared can save you a lot of time and stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.